How to make creative art ideas for art lovers. 1. Explore different mediums, experiment with various materials, try painting, drawing, collage, sculpture, or digital art. Each medium offers unique possibilities. Incorporate mixed media, combine traditional and unconventional materials, e.g., fabric, recycled objects, to add depth and texture. 2. Find inspiration, nature. Take a walk and observe colors, shapes, and patterns in the natural world. Art history. Study artworks from different cultures and time periods to spark new ideas. Everyday life. Look for inspiration in daily experiences, such as architecture, fashion, or emotions. 3. Set a theme or concept. Choose a central idea. Select themes like transformation, identity, or the passage of time to guide your creative process. Mood boards. Create a mood board to visualize your theme, gathering images, colors, and textures that resonate. 4. Engage with other artists. Collaborate. Join art groups or workshops to exchange ideas and techniques with fellow artists. Feedback. Share your work with peers for constructive criticism and new perspectives. 5. Use prompts and challenges. Art prompts. Use daily or weekly prompts to kickstart creativity. For example, create art using only 3 colors or depict your favorite memory. Art challenges. Participate in online challenges, like Inktober, to push your boundaries and explore new styles. 6. Create from emotions. Emotional reflection. Use your feelings as inspiration. Create pieces that express joy, sadness, or nostalgia through color and form. Art journaling. Keep an art journal to document your thoughts and feelings, allowing spontaneity in your creative process. Developing creative art ideas involves exploration, experimentation, and connection. By engaging with different mediums, finding inspiration, collaborating with others, and embracing your emotions, you can cultivate a wealth of artistic expression. Let your creativity flow and enjoy the journey.